Jai Ambe, this is your favorite astrologer Pandit Parashar, back again with the weekly forecast for the week of June 1st to June 7th. And here it is. For Aries, it seems like it is your turn to take care of the people who took good care of you in the past. Money will come in plenty, but will just slip out of your hands. There will be some encouraging changes at work, and you will be working with some new people for next few months. It will be better to eat food at regular intervals to reduce the problem in the stomach region. An old friend will pay a visit to you this week. Taurus, if you are quick and pay your cards right, the dream opportunity is in your pocket. You will become very diplomatic but act little childish at home. New boss will assign additional work, putting you under a lot of pressure. Someone close will encourage and inspire you. A property deal can also go through immediately if you offer little bit more. Gemini, you'll be offered the deal that will be hard to turn down. This is the correct time to make long-term commitments. Strong will and determination will help you overcome all the fears. People who hurt you in the past will be in deep trouble. Letter written will get immediate and positive response. You will be in a very generous mood and ready to celebrate. Cancer, you will come across several new opportunities in life. Grab them, but avoid risking something for which you have been having patience for past several years. For others, money-wise, it will be a promising week. Stocks recently purchased will appreciate suddenly, and it will be better to dispose them off for the profit and wait for few more days to buy them back. Leo, there will be improvement but not up to expectations. So something is better than nothing. You will be more optimistic in life and make all attempts with great confidence. A spouse will be under a lot of pressure and need to relax for a few days. Buy or make offer on a property after doing thorough investigations. Money-wise, it will be a better week for you. Virgo, bachelors may face slight opposition from family about a relationship. You will be doing a lot of soul searching and make some positive changes in your general outlook. Avoid taking any chance with the law when you are driving and stay within speed limits. You may be traveling to a coastal area to meet someone, and you might be in market to replace an old vehicle. Libra, you will spend more time with prominent people and make good and useful contacts this week. Property related matters will get resolved all of a sudden. You will be the one called for another interview among many of applicants. You will make final payments on several bills and come out of negative. A child will need your time and support with his education this week. Scorpio, you will have to deal with someone smart but little cunning person this week. Stick to your numbers and the other party will finally agree. Trips taken will not go waste and new associations will be very beneficial for you. You will be able to help several needy persons with your expertise. This week is also favorable for all financial decisions. Sagittarius, you will give up and express yourself in very strong language. Message will definitely go across but may not make much impact on the other party. Sacrifices made earlier will not go waste, and you might need help of an expert. Seems like you will all meet all your commitments and still have some left over. Idea of taking a trip overseas will continue to cross your mind. Capricorn, new commitments will have long-term impact on finances. You may go out of your way to win someone's heart. You'll make plans to travel to a nice place in next few weeks. You may temporarily develop taste for some sweet items. Determination and focus will take you closer to your professional goals. And you will attend a big community event this week. You will become health conscious and start with little exercise and change in diet. Gamble will pay off and you will make extra money and sign a long-term contract also. You will also win some favors from a government agency, making room for big improvements in your career. You will also have a chance to pass on valuable knowledge to a worthy student. Pisces, having confidence in yourself will be better, and you should go for the opportunity thrown at your feet with full blast. Money will go on buying some fine items for personal use. You may make money through stocks also, and a big check from insurance company can also arrive during the week. You may start calling friends for a small get-together at your place. Do not rush to conclusions about a new relationship. Have a wonderful week and we'll see you next week again. Jai Ambe.